Yeah, right? Crazy!
That's some serious light.
You think? Golly, man. I like it like that though, when it flashes like really bright. That's my favorite part though. Like that. It was fucking pitch black, eh? Surprised the power's not out actually, yeah.
Wind.
Oh no, no, the wind. Here we go. Oh boy, boys. I hate thunderstorms.
Show them the storm that's going across.
If the GoPro will pick that up. It should though. Oh brother. Oh, I got that on film. I think so. I hope so. It's in 1080p, 60 frames a second, so should have anyways. It is 10:05 Central Time. Buddy, that's nice and bright. Amazing what God can do.
Wow.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Dude. That was cool. I'm gonna have to watch that back. I missed that.
Look at them chain. Oh,
That was what, 4?
yeah.
At least 4. Hondo. That's rattling this, the plastic. That's rattling that. Big old rumble like that, sonny boy. Woo-wee. I'm seriously surprised it hasn't flooded yet. And I'm not gonna jinx her, so I won't keep my mouth shut. This last thing we want is fucking flood. Ooh, don't have to. Beautiful though. Been like this for what, Dad? 5 days? 4?
Close to it.
Yeah, 4 days like this. It's getting old. Tomorrow, I'm gonna show him the tree that fell. That'll be a doozy. 250-year-old tree that the wind came through here so hard it blew it.
It's 200 years old.
Yeah, at least. That looked like the sun over there.
Yeah, it did.
Beautimus.
Wow.
I got that all on film, baby. Woo!
That was cool.
Yeah.
Man.
Make sure my finger's on in the fucking video.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, that's a rough little thunderstorm right there.
That's coming through right now.
No, that's the one that still passed out.
Oh, great. It was all red, wasn't it? That's really bad.
Red and orange.
Red and orange, just like the GoPro. Crap, I put my flashlight down. Hold on, boys. Oh, it's wet over here. And it's a nice thunderstorm out here. In the middle of nowhere. In the south. Get him, Hondo! Get him, Hondo! Hondo, you dumb dog.
Look at Willette.
Woo! I got that on film.
Look at the red that goes through Willette. Boom.
Dude, is that going through there right now?
Yeah, here we were. And here's Willette, which is not far from us, it's going to get
Yeah.
I'm going to say the church is getting hit too.
I will
There's
say.
135.
I'm gonna say it is too.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
There's Whitneyville.
Whitneyville.
Yeah, that red's been sprayed before it gets there. That was just, it's orange.
Well, orange is still bad in my book. Anything with freaking this and thunder, and that was beautiful. and wind. I hate wind.
That big red sail is what went right through here, and I mean it's freaking huge. Okay, look, real pleasant shade. Watch what it does. Look at that big red sail when it first starts to frame. 21, 33. Look how big it is. Boom. That was nasty.
That was nasty. That just went through here, boys. Did that go through here when we was eating Mexican?
While we were eating.
Yeah. Yeah, thought so.
And while we were driving home.
Yeah. Alright, it is 10-10, boys. Get him, Hondo! Ow. My eardrums. Quit barking at me. Oh, that was bite. Slash, I had to blink. Yeah, guys, we had a major storm come through here earlier this morning, about around 4, actually 3:34, and it knocked a 250-year-old tree, at least 300, down. See if I can't show you guys since the lightning is really freaking bright. There's my wood furnace place, but if it gets bright enough, there's a tree where my finger, yeah, you just saw it, there's a tree there. Well, past that tree is where a huge 250-year-old tree fell down, and it smashed my dad's car trailer. I mean, not car trailer, but cargo trailer, or whatever you want to call it, that carries all the ladders. And thank the Lord, hopefully it did not smash none of his $900 ladders that are commercial grade like everything else he owns. But it's coming a doozy right now. Wish I would have brought my GoPro with me if it was going to get that bad. But I didn't know it, so I didn't bring it. But I will be posting this to YouTube tonight. Hopefully. Or not tomorrow. I might just do it tonight, tomorrow. Because tomorrow might be, I don't know, but my back right now is feeling fully charged. Like a freaking supercharger whining at full throttle. Ooh. I don't like that, man. God's mad, I'll tell you that much. And if you don't know what that means, well, he's mad at all these gays and stuff. I'm not going to get into all the detail, but it's pretty messed up. And I can't blame him why he's pissed off. But, I'm going to go and end the video, guys, and, I'll ride my four-wheeler and I'll have a talk with you guys about gays and stuff. But, catch you guys on the flip side. Talk to you guys later.